Want to travel the world and protect it? Welcome to Ecotourism Adventures, where we explore the planet responsibly, preserving nature, empowering communities, and making every journey count. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and, travel sustainably. Ecotourism is more than just a trend. It's a movement. It means traveling to natural areas with the goal of conservation, low impact, and local benefits. Think rainforest hikes, coral reef snorkeling, community farming, and nature safaris, all done sustainably. Here are some amazing eco-adventures around the world: Costa Rica. Rainforests, sloths, volcanoes, and sustainable lodges. Kenya. Ethical wildlife safaris that support conservation. Palawan in the Philippines. Marine sanctuaries and eco-islands. Slovenia. Alpine lakes, green cities, and low-impact tourism. And Bhutan, the only carbon-negative country on Earth. These destinations really show how travel can make a positive difference. Want to be an eco-traveler? Here's how. Stay in eco-lodges or family-run homestays, travel slow, use trains, bikes, or walk when possible, respect wildlife, never touch or feed animals, leave no trace, take only photos, leave only footprints, and support local. Buy handmade crafts, eat local, tip fairly. Oh, and by the way, some top apps to help you out are Happy Cow for vegan food, Ecotourism so you can plant trees while you browse, and Pack for a Purpose if you want to donate supplies. When you choose ecotourism, you're actually conserving fragile ecosystems, empowering indigenous communities, protecting endangered species, and honestly, finding deeper, more meaningful travel experiences. Here are a few quick do's and don'ts. Do learn local customs, respect traditions, and carry a reusable water bottle. Don't ride elephants, buy coral souvenirs, or overuse plastic. Do travel with eco-certified companies and volunteer responsibly. And here's a tip. Always ask your tour operator about their environmental policies before booking. Ecotourism isn't about seeing more. It's about caring more. Let's explore the world without hurting it. So, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite eco destination in the comments.